Today we are going to go over the mechanism installation for the paddle wheel flow meter. First, we are going to install the union adapter in the nuts with the pipe. Next, lock the T-connector and the pipe with the union adapter. The arrow sign on the top of the paddle set means the direction of the flow. The top side of the arrow sign means the direction of the line out. The next step is to install the device to the paddle base and rotate it clockwise. Please watch the direction of installation and do not force it. It is important to note that the screen can change direction according to the pipe's alignment. Unscrew the 4 hex socket head cap screws on the top housing, then rotate the screen. The 4 screws need to be screwed in evenly. Then fix the device with the paddle base through the side of the mount. You can find taped holes on both sides. When fixing the device with the paddle base, it is okay to only screw in one side of the mount. Lastly, connect the cable inside the box to the power supply and the communication system. That is it for the mechanism installation.